Let me teach you a trade and trader to change your life. A trading journey forever. Um. So let's let's start over all over again. So in case if you want like if you want to if you see something like this in a 4 hour, you want to enter a trade and you feel like the market has left you behind. What you do is what you watch whether the market has broken a what you watch out whether the market has broken a 4 hour candle in the left side or not. If it did, what you will do is map out the week of of that that candle. Map out the week of that candle like this. Then map out the week of that candle. After you map it out, then you do what? You map out the opening of that candle at the right side like this. The open of the candle which break the left side candle like this. Then you go to 1 hour for confluence. For confluences like this. You go here and see whether you see a confluence. If you look in the left, you could see that we have a what? A fair value gap here. We have an inversion fair value gap here, which price has traded through. This fair value gap here. If you see that fair value gap right here, if you see that fair value gap, price can respect this fair value gap and go to the outside, or it can come all the way. It can come all the way down here. It can cross this fair value gap and come all the way down here to the line you mark out from here. If you reach here, you can buy. You see a strong confluence in the here, you can buy. So you go to the 30 minutes time frame again and see whether you will see a fair value gap there. You see a confluence. The fair value gap will map out here. Do you see what it has result to in the 30 minutes here? Then you go to the what? You go ahead to the smaller time frames. Price can reach out to this place, it can reach out to this place and reverse. It depends how bullish the market is. So if you go down to the smaller time frame, you could see all these things are what? Liquidity resting below. So it will sweep this liquidity and tap here to reverse, or it will reach out to its root before reversing to the upside. So be cautious. So you go to the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. Then you see. Yes. You look and you see these candles. So it can reach out here, it can reverse here, it can reverse here. So peace. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video.